The Summer Music Festival.
Have you heard about the music festival next summer? I read that it is going to have about 20 different bands playing in it.
I think I did hear someone talking about it. Are you planning on going?
I'll go if I can get tickets. I heard that people are going to line up overnight to get tickets. I might line up overnight too.
I don't think I want to line up all night long.
Well, I'm going to do it. I think it is going to be a great music festival that I won't want to miss.
Maybe. Do you know how much the tickets are going to cost?
I'm not sure, but I think each ticket will be about $75.
That's a lot of money. I don't think I want to spend that much on a ticket. Good luck anyway. Ballet class.
Hi, Cindy. Where are you going?
Good afternoon, Mrs. White. I'm going to ballet class.
Ballet class? I didn't know you were studying ballet. How long have you been studying ballet?
Today is my first day, and I don't want to go. My mom and dad want me to learn ballet. I'm not sure I want to learn how to dance.
I used to learn ballet too when I was your age. Now I teach ballet in a dance school.
Oh, I didn't know that. Where do you teach your classes?
Down the street at Easy Steps Dance Academy. Ballet is fun to learn, and it's a very graceful dance. You'll need to learn the steps and practice a lot, of course, but I think you'll enjoy it.
I hope so.
Well, go and have some fun dancing.
A haunted house.
Oh no, it's raining. I wanted to go to the beach today.
Well, I'm visiting a haunted house this afternoon. You can come with me if you like.
A haunted house? What is it like?
It's really dark, with lots of old furniture and pictures on the walls. It's called a haunted house because it's full of ghosts.
You're joking, right? I don't believe in ghosts. Where is the haunted house?
The house is in the old forest.
Oh, are you really sure you want to go?
What's wrong? I thought you didn't believe in ghosts.
Well, I don't really believe in ghosts, but...
That's okay. I don't believe in ghosts either. I was only joking. The old house isn't really haunted. It's just a very old, empty house.
Phew, I'm glad to hear that. Sure, I'll come with you.
A big screen TV. I'm thinking about buying a big screen TV.
Wow, I've seen those in the store. They cost a lot of money. Can you afford to buy one?
They do cost a lot of money, but I really enjoy watching TV. I think it's much more fun to watch TV shows on a big screen.
I've never watched TV on a big screen. Do you think the quality of the picture is good?
Yes, the quality is great. When you watch soccer games, you feel like you are right there on the field.
When you buy the TV, can I come over to your house? Then I can enjoy watching TV on the big screen with you.
I have to save some money to buy the TV first. It will be a few months before I can afford to buy it. He's famous.
Are you going to the new Tim Cross movie tonight?
I don't know. It looks kind of boring.
Really? I think it looks quite interesting. Besides, Tim Cross is a famous actor.
He may be famous, but I don't think he's a very good actor. He always acts in the same sort of movie. He never does anything different.
Well, at least you think he's good-looking, right?
No, not really. He always looks so sleepy.
But most girls think he's handsome. Maybe that's why he is so famous.
None of my friends think he is good-looking at all. I used to like him a few years ago, but now I think he's not handsome at all.
Hey, I just got a haircut to try to look more like him.
Well, that explains why I don't like your new haircut.
A housewarming party.
Hi, Steve. Thanks for coming to my housewarming party.
Hello, Sue. Thanks for inviting me to see your lovely new home. It's beautiful.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Did you decorate your house all by yourself?
Yes, I did. I traveled around Europe last year. I got some beautiful furniture for my house there.
Do you plan to go on a new trip this summer?
Yes, I am planning to visit China.
That's great. How long will you be there?
I will be there for a month.
You can find some beautiful things in China for your new house. You should go shopping while you are there.
Of course, it will be fun to go shopping there. By the way, please help yourself to the refreshments.
Thanks. The food looks delicious.